Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Today I will teach English grammar of class 7. The chapter is 10. Name of the chapter is continuous tenses. I have taught you present continuous tense in the last grammar class. Today I am going to teach you past continuous tense. Now let us learn past continuous tense. The past continuous tense describes an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. A past continuous tense is formed by using was, were plus present participle form of the verb. Present participle form of the verb means ing form of the verb. Was, were plus ing form of the verb. The past continuous tense can be used to describe an action that started in the past but stopped because of another action. It is used to describe an action which started in the past but stopped because of another action. It is also used to describe two actions happening at the same time in the past. It is also used for the two actions which happening at the same time in the past. For example, I was preparing the meal while the baby was sleeping. Two actions happening in the past. She was returning home when her cycle broke down. Broke down means stopped functioning, stopped working. When her cycle stopped working, she was returning home. It means when another action stopped, the action started. Formation of sentences in the past continuous tense. The negative in the past continuous is formed by using was, were plus not plus ing form of the verb, that is present participle form of main verb. Example: we were not shouting when the principal came. Here we is subject, where is helping verb, not is negative was not, shouting is ing form of main verb. It is in past continuous tense. The interrogative yes no question in past continuous is formed by using was, not, or were not plus subject plus present participle form of main verb. Present participle form of means ing form of main verb. For example, was I speaking too fast? The was in interrogative sentence helping verb comes before subject, as we have read it before. In interrogative sentence helping verb comes before subject, and in past continuous helping verb will be either was or were. Here example you see, was I speaking too fast? Was helping verb, I subject, speaking ing form of main verb. It is an interrogative sentence yes no question in past continuous tense. The WH question in past continuous is formed by beginning the question with a WH word plus was, were, or wasn't, weren't plus subject plus present participle form of main verb. Present participle form of main verb means ing form of main verb. WH question in past continuous tense is formed by beginning with WH word plus was, were, or wasn't, weren't plus subject plus present participle form of main verb. WH words like what, where, when, which, whose, who, whom, how, why, these all are WH word. After that, helping verb. Helping verb was where or wasn't, weren't. Wasn't is the short form of was not. Weren't is the short form of were not. Plus subject plus present participle form of main verb. Present participle form of main verb means ing form of main verb. When we write WH question in past continuous tense, we write WH word plus was where or wasn't weren't plus subject plus present participle form of main verb. For example, when were they planning to break the good news? So when is WH word, where is helping verb, they is subject, and planning is ing form of main verb or present participle form of main verb. So it is the example of WH word question in past continuous tense. Now here is a question. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. I dash clean the wound when the doctor walked in. I was cleaning, past continuous, was cleaning the wound when the doctor walked in. He dashed home when we needed the medicine. He was driving home. Where you looking? WER, where you looking for the lost jewels? Julie dashed to the market when it started raining. Julie was going to the market. The manager was dreaming when an idea struck him. We have read, I have taught you how to write past sentence in past continuous tense. Today we have read all about past continuous tense. Thanks.